Hi guys, back for another unboxing. Looking forward to this one. This is the new manga edition. The watch has got these outlines which make it look like it's out of a comic book. So the reference number for everyone is GA2100 MNG manga 2AJR with a module of 5611. This one is a JDM exclusive, so you can see the box comes in it's a recycled box. Don't have my camera stand today, so I'll be doing this one hand. So basically, we've got that G-Shock recycled box here. That's the receipt. I got it from Discovery Japan. We've got our Japanese instructions, module 5611. And this is the box for the watch box. What else? Well, we've got something here. I think this says, in Japanese, it says kapow or bang or something like that. Maybe someone can leave that in the comments. Not 100% sure what these letters or what these characters mean, but I think it means kapow in Japanese. So it's from the manga series of comic books. So hopefully we can get this box unboxed, and you've got another G-Shock label there on the front. Anything else around the box? I'm not too sure what that means. There's the bottom, and there's the watch. Wow, this looks very weird when looking at it. It's like the way they've done this is just brilliant. Wow. So there's the box. You've got here carbon core, and you've got the little card here written basically in Japanese. G-Shock. It's the standard module, so there's no Bluetooth or solar on this one. No Ultra Band 6. It's just a standard Casio, but it's not very standard at all. Look at this. Turning that upside down. We've got the usual cardboard pillow now. There's no actual pillow to the watch, and here it is. So yeah, you can see the negative display, but try and get some close-ups here. You can see the little comic bubble right there. And yeah, this is they've gone all out here, Casio. It's all over the band. I've got the blue one. There's a white version as well, but I decided to go for the blue. I think it pops more because you've got this the white lettering with the black surround. But yeah, it looks brilliant. Still haven't put it on wrist. But yeah, we've got some lettering back here as well. If I can get in there, just get that under the light. Yeah, there it is there. That same lettering that was on the box is on the back. So we've got the normal 200 meter water resistance, stopwatch, alarm. And the light is over here. I don't think we can. Probably can. Here we go. Not that would too. Wow, that really lights up. Nice. Because you've got the blue surround, the light really pops. There you go. So yeah, so this is the Casio Manga edition. It comes in the white version as well, but I reckon the blue version looks really cool. So I might just pause this video and maybe put it on wrist and show you guys how it looks on wrist, and maybe do a couple of macro shots. I'll be back. Okay, back guys. So that's my watch for the day actually. but I'm guessing that it's going to be different now. So this is what it looks on wrist. Very comfortable. The usual Casio, you've got the silver buckle there and the blue holder. But if I zoom in, even they've got the dots in black, which is unbelievable. The way they've done this, it's just the detail that they've gone for this watch is just brilliant. So I'll try and zoom in as close as I can without having much blur, a bit shaky, but yeah, so that's what it looks on wrist. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So subscribe, hit the like button for lots more content. I've got a lot of watches to get through to make videos for, but got a bit of a backlog building, but been a bit busy lately. So if you bear with me, there'll be a lot more content coming. So like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the subscribers and all the views. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.